Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting product to unbox and review, the 23SQM plasmacluster air purifier. Without further ado, let's start. As we open the box, we're greeted with a sleek and modern design. The packaging is well organized and the user manual provides clear instructions for setup. Now let's take a closer look at the key features. First up, this air purifier boasts an impressive 7,000 ions CMO2 emission, thanks to its high-density plasmacluster ion generator. This technology works wonders in neutralizing airborne pollutants, providing you with cleaner and fresher air. The plasmacluster ion modes and indicator light are user-friendly features that allow you to customize the purification process. The indicator light keeps you informed about the current mode, ensuring you're always in the loop. One standout feature is the quiet operation. It's so silent, you'll hardly notice it's running. This is perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any space where you want to enjoy clean air without the noise. The built-in dust sensor is a game changer. It automatically detects and responds to changes in air quality, ensuring the purifier kicks into action when needed most. And with the HEPA and deodorizing filters, you can rest easy knowing that particles and odors are being filtered out effectively. Concerned about durability? The 23SQM plasmacluster air purifier comes with a reassuring 1-year warranty on parts and service, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. To wrap it up, the 23SQM plasmacluster air purifier impresses with its powerful purification capabilities, user-friendly features, and silent operation. If you're looking for a reliable air purifier for your space, this might just be the one for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried this air purifier yourself. Until next time, thanks for watching. Check out our other reviews and subscribe for the latest updates. See you in the next video.